Good morning, everyone. It's Laurel here. Happy Creep on June 1st. Are we all excited? I'm excited. Today starts the Creep on June for the month from Tracie Fox Creative. Um, it's going to be amazing, probably more amazing than last year because as her things grow, they get better and better. I'm just going to do a quick video today. I just wanted to do a quick rundown, make sure everybody knows it starts today, which I'm sure they do, but just in case. This is the calendar for the month of all the participants and what days they'll be on. There will be a link in everybody's video. They will post this calendar. Tracie starts us off right here with day one. So if you go to her channel, you just click on that link, click on the first, well, you just go to Tracie's for day one. Don't mind me. It's early in the morning. So this link should be below. I'm going to put it below mine, but every time you watch somebody's video, they should have this link listed below. And this is at her shop. You can go to her traciefoxcreative.co.uk and pull this up as well if you can't find it anywhere else, if someone forgets to post it. That's where it'll be. And when you open the calendar and you just click on the day, it will take you either to their Instagram. I know there's some new Instagrammers, or it will take you to their YouTube page for you to watch their day's creation, their file, their envelope, what it is they're doing along with this. If you aren't aware of this, please go back and watch Tracie's videos. The story is amazing. I just thought it was so awesome that she put a listening to story along with the kit for the Curious Case of Craftly Hall, um, which I just thought was amazing. I love all the digitals. I can't wait till my day, which is all the way down here. So that gives me so much time to get everything done. So I did just want to come on and wish everybody a happy Creep on June 1st, the start of Creep on June. Make sure for any of those who will be watching or following along or creating to please use hashtag CreepOnJune 2024 so that other people can go and see your amazing creations. And please follow along. I'm going to try and post every day on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook group. I'm going to try and post um, the day's person and video. If it's not an Instagrammer, I'm not quite sure how to do that one. And I will try and put it on the community page in my YouTube group as well, so people know, who's on and when, just in case somebody doesn't know. You might want to go to the calendar and just click on everybody and make sure you're subscribed to them. We always want to help out new people as well, and the Instagrammers follow along because there are so many amazing crafters out there that can do just yeah, I'm every day I'm finding somebody new that just does amazing work that is, you know, somebody new to us, but maybe not new to other people. So maybe just go on and click on everybody and make sure you're subscribed so that when their day comes up, you can watch. So happy Creep on June 2024. Don't forget, go watch Tracie. She is the start of it today. Hers is probably up because of the time change difference. It is early here, but she's already going into her evening now, so she probably already put her video up. I think I remembered everything for that. Oh, please go check out the kits. I know they were still on sale for 40% off through the 1st. I don't know how that runs with Tracie's schedule. I know it's different in different places, but you can still go and get the kits. And she now has a shop, which is traciefoxcreative.shop. That will save you some money and help them out as well. So please go over there and check out her new shop. It'll be growing as she gets working on it. So please go help her out that way. It'll help you out. And excuse me. It helps her out as well. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. Happy crafting, happy creating. Let's all play along with Tracie today and follow along with everybody and have a wonderful Creep on June. Thank you all. I will see you all soon. Don't forget to get out there and create something.